The Israeli government has decided to go forward with a plan for security officials to review the emails of tourists, an idea that an Israeli civil rights protection group has said is deeply troubling. The policy will allow authorities to ask travelers entering the Jewish state to show border officers their emails. Civil rights lawyers said the idea was inherently unfair and arbitrary.
Whether we're dealing with the issue of preventing terror or with other law enforcement, it's very important that such invasive measures be, first of all, grounded in law, that there be specific legal authorization that's subject to public debate and to the legislative process. And second, that the power be subject to judicial oversight. The idea that a security guard at the airport can decide to use such power based on his own discretion without any oversight and without having to answer to anybody is a serious problem.
Some Israelis have said officials should be allowed to peek at the emails of tourists because Israeli officials would want to only if there was a legitimate security concern. But tourists visiting the Jewish state objected to the idea of anyone poking around their personal messages.
If the security check my email, I'll got angry because it's my privacy. So it's against my right. So why people check my emails? So I think if they check, I will have to prepare the security my email, or I let my laptop at my home. I think I don't want to people see my email.
A tourist visiting Israel is not obliged to show his emails and can always say no. But the decision on whether or not to let the tourist in remains up to the authorities.